This ritual is for defense, not for revenge. It's for justice. If there's someone who is making your life a living hell, with this powerful ritual you will immobilize them and keep them away. Write the person's full name and date of birth in black ink. Don't forget to visualize the person while performing the ritual and put all your hatred into it. That's the most important part. Get an onion of any color, but red is better. Cut it in the shape of a cross as shown in the video. Fold the paper outward. Place the paper inside the onion. Hold the onion in your hands and repeat with great faith. Finally, freeze the onion at the bottom of the freezer. It will stay there until that person leaves your life. When you have gotten rid of the person, throw the onion in the trash.